Welcome to Frontier Watch. Here's a shift that most companies haven't caught yet. The teams winning with AI right now aren't the ones with the most tools. They're the ones who build a system underneath the tools. Think about how most companies use AI today. Everyone's got their own chatbot, their own prompts, their own version of the brand voice. Multiply that across the whole team and you get chaos. 20 people producing 20 different versions of your company. The smartest teams are doing the opposite. They are building what you could call a company operating system. One shared brain that every tool and every person plugs into. Your brand voice, your positioning, your customers, your best work, all documented into one place the AI actually reads from. The payoff is real. First drafts in a fraction of a time, brand consistency without a bottleneck, new hires who onboard in days instead of months because they can query the system like a senior colleague. But here is the part nobody talks about. This isn't about the AI. It is about the thinking you do before the AI. The structure, the documentation, the knowledge only you have. That's the moat. The tool is available to everyone. The system behind it is not. Bad teams with this system just make bad output faster. Good teams can move mountains. So the real question for your company, it is not which AI tool to buy. It is whether you're willing to build the system that makes all of them work. That's the week's Frontiers Watch. Until next time, keep decoding.